Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I wanted to show you kind of the steps and kind of some tips that I have to really create a very zen home. I definitely strive in a place that is clutter-free and a place that just really brings me a lot of peace. And I know a lot of my followers are the same, so I figured I would kind of bring you along and share some of the things that I like to do in my home to really create that Zen vibe. So number one tip is obviously a clutter-free space. And when we're talking about the home, to me, the most important part of the home when it comes to rest and relaxation is the bedroom. But if you think about it, your day starts and ends in your bedroom, and so that is why I think just bedroom and your bed specifically is step number one. So I'm going to first bring you up to our bedroom and kind of show you the minimalism that we have going on and the incredible bedding that we have that really creates our little oasis. I've been using Boll & Branch bedding for, I want to say, almost 7 years now. This video is sponsored by Boll & Branch. We invested in a really good mattress, and obviously we wanted incredible bedding to go with it. And it's absolutely the best sheets I've ever slept on. So one of the best ways to have a very zen bedroom is obviously to have clean sheets. My absolute favorite are from Boll & Branch. It's all we've been using for, I would say, at least 6 years. This is our oldest pair in this beautiful like taupey gray color. And I really wish you guys could feel this. They actually get butterier and just softer as they wash and basically as they age. I like having 2 sets. I feel like I don't need more than 2 sets for our bed. So I have a pair of white and a pair of gray. So today I'm going to be putting in the white. I love that all of their products are made from 100% organic cotton. I love that all their products are ethically made. They're fair trade certified. And everything is just top quality and just so chic. So in terms of bedding and pillows, I have the 3 Euro shams and then our 2 like sleeping pillows. And then I have this decorative sham here that just goes with the duvet. And I want to show you up close this beautiful detailing. There's nothing I love more than a very just clean, crisp bedroom. Especially when you have kids and basically your whole house is dedicated to them. It's kind of nice to have an area where it's just adult and just very clean, bare, and very zen. Also very important to me is just to have a very clear nightstand. I think it totally affects my mood in the morning if I wake up and there's a ton of clutter and just basically anything next to your bed. Obviously my 5-minute journal and basically whatever books I'm reading that night. So use my code L20 for 20% off your Boll & Branch order. This is the brand's best offer this month and will be gone at the end of the month. Please see the site for details and exclusions may apply. Another thing I like to do to really have a relaxing home is to play soothing music and soothing sounds. So because it is earlier in the day, I'm playing Reiki music. I feel like it's very healing. It helps me focus. It kind of just reminds me to slow down and kind of enjoy the moment. And then in the evening, I like to transition more into like playing jazz. It kind of gets like the mood going for evening, and it makes a Tuesday night dinner just feel that much more special. And again, with being new parents, obviously we're going out less, and I think it's really, really important to kind of celebrate and romanticize the stage of life you're in. And again, that really helps ground me and really enjoy the moments rather than kind of get anxious in the moment or kind of feel like, like this is all new and I don't know what I'm doing. Now, this might sound silly, but I think having nice soap and lotion in all bathrooms and kitchen is also a must. We wash our hands so many times a day. Let's make that experience a little bit luxurious and spa-like. Another thing, if you're a coffee drinker, tea drinker, whatever it is, really make that process special. So have like beautiful stoneware and cups that you like drinking out of. So again, you're just making that experience at home more special than if you're at a coffee shop. I think having like a relaxing home and kind of atmosphere has to become a lifestyle. It's not something you do to like make your home kind of relaxing one day. I was the kind of kid and teenager that would rearrange my room and really like make my space my own. It's always just grounded me and just brought me peace, and I always feel like I'm able to perform better and to achieve more when my space not only reflects me, but again, is really clean. All right guys, that is it. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've left all the products I mentioned in the description box down below. Thank you again to Boll & Branch for sponsoring this video. This was really a dream sponsorship because like I said, I've been using their products already genuinely for years. So I would hope you get to experience Boll & Branch as well and end and start your day every day with the most luxurious bedding. All right, thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.